standing in the kitchen. This is what we'd make for your separate entrance, that door, and you could just go down the stairs. If you just put a wall up, it would be totally separate for you. And then there would be my entrance right after it. There's another door outside. Front hall closet right here. There's the living room again. Now I'm walking down the hall. Here's the first bedroom. Decent sized closet. Second bedroom, about similar size, maybe a tiny bit smaller. Closet, it's actually a double. And bathroom. There's a shower stall and a tub.